Hi everybody, welcome again. We're showing you a beautiful little Hobart planetary mixer today. It's operating on 115 volt single phase. That's its factory controls. You'll see it running at its number 3 speed, which is its high speed function. It has an aluminum beater blade with it, and of course a stainless steel bowl. I'm gonna just show you that off. Go to the number 1 speed. It's on casters, of course. Has the secondary drive right there for your meat chopper or other accessories Hobart does offer. And let's stop it and go up to number 2. It's your mid-range speed right there. Everything seems to be operating normally. I don't think you can switch these on the fly. Let's see if you can. And you can. But I don't think it goes to high speed. No, it has to be shut off, come to a stop, and then turn on. Doesn't allow you to switch to high speed on the fly. Just first and second speed. We have lots of equipment in our inventory. Almost 2,000 pieces of equipment right now. Everything in process and packaging for most manufacturing. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this short video today.